Student, are you ready with your pen and book?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you see the question here, a two-digit number and the number with the digits interchanged add up to 143. In the given number, the digit in units place is 3 more than the digit in the tens place. Find the original number. Now, what we got to do is find the original number. But first, if you see the steps, let the digit in units place be x. So they have already mentioned what will be the digit in the units place, what will be the digit in the tens place, all that is mentioned. Okay, so the digit in the units place is x and the digit in the tens place is y. Now, before we begin with solving the question, I need to explain to you some concepts which are very, very important. So suppose we have the number 72. How do we write this number 7?
70 plus 2.
In units and tens, you will have 2 in the units place, 7 in the tens place. But to make it a number as 72, when I say the word 70, means 7 into 10 plus 2 into 1. Units is also called as ones. So we have 7 into 10 plus 2 into 1. This 10 is from here, the tens place, correct? So suppose I have the digit as x in the units place and y in the tens place. What will be my number?
10y plus x.
Plus x. 10y plus x.
You'll have a hand button there on the screen.
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Darshi, please can you answer?
10y plus x.
10y plus x. Now suppose I am interchanging. Interchanging means I am interchanging the digits. I have units, I have tens. But in tens place, I had kept y. Now I'm going to keep as x and in units place will be y. So now what will be the number? Atharva.
10x plus y.
So this will be the number. Okay. I only want the digits. Which are the digits of the original number?
X and y.
Original number had digits, tens place was y and units place was x. Interchanged digits will be interchanged number. Here original digits are x and y. Interchange, so original number is this and interchange number is this. Have you understood all this? Because based on all this, we are going to solve the sum for. Have you understood this part?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
So now we come to the question. Okay. The two-digit number and the number with the digits interchange add up to 143. So two-digit number, the normal number what we had considered here, we had kept it as 10y plus x was our original number. So this original number is 10y plus x. When we interchange, it became 10x plus y. Here we have 10y plus x. Already this first number is written. Here what will come in this box? one number is 10y plus x. The other number we have to add. So which was the other number?
Interchange.
10x plus y.
Vedant, Fadke.
10 plus y.
10x plus y.
Is equal to 143. When you open the brackets, you have 10y plus x plus 10x plus y is equal to 143. So that will give you y plus y, 11y. X plus 10x, 11x is equal to 143. So what will be x plus y? Ten y 11x plus 11y is equal to 143. So everywhere, suppose you will divide by 11.
13.
13.
11x upon 11, 11y upon 11, 143 upon 11. 11 ones are 11, remainder 3, 11 threes. So you will get here as 13. Now what next? Second condition. The digit in units place is x is equal to digit in tens place. Digit in tens place is y. Now if I bring this y on this side, I will get x minus y is equal to 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you are going to solve both the equations and get this all boxes. You will raise your hand once you have done. Fill in all these boxes and let me know the answer. Because now we have been solving sums over sums by solving the equation. So now you all should be ready to solve equations.
Done, ma'am.
Wait, ma'am.
I'm not going anywhere, I'm here.
Done, teacher.
Okay. Sham Jiv
Yes, teacher.
Raj. Yes. Sham, what will be there in this bracket? 2x is equal to box.
2x equals to 16.
Equals to 16. Okay. Sham, I will just solve here and see whether your answer is right, because
Yes.
I don't know whether it is right or no, so I need to check.
Yes, teacher.
Netra, can you help me in checking whether the answer is right?
Yes, teacher.
So x plus y is 13, x minus y is 3. So what we got to do, add or subtract, Netra? Huh?
We need to add, teacher.
Okay. So x plus x will give?
2x.
And what about these y's?
Y will be cut.
Okay.
Is
13
equal
plus.
to 16.
Okay, so your answer was correct, Sham. Now, Sham, what will you put in place of this box?
Y.
Okay. So what will be the answer for y?
5.
5. Very good. So Ankit Raj Purohit, the original number
Yes,
is
teacher.
10y plus x. So what will come here? 10y.
Yes.
10 into y place you will put 5.
Yes.
So what is the answer?
5.
Plus
50 plus
58.
8. 58.
50.
Okay. So have you filled the box?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. If you have done, then chalo, ready for the next question. Shall we move on to the next one?
yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
teacher.
Thing. You have written all this calculation.
Yes,
See,
teacher.
this calculation should be there somewhere in the book at the side.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now you all have written this in the textbook or in the notebook?
Notebook.
Notebook.
Textbook.
Textbook.
Okay, textbook, notebook, fine. But when you have this question like this, you have to write all these sentences. Everything has to be written how it is given. And wherever there is box, you will fill the answer. So you have to write from let till 58. All this you have to write. You just cannot write box 1, 10, box 2, 10, box 3, box 4. No, you cannot write like this. Here, what you have missed, we have missed something to be written, so that we'll write. Okay, so you have to write the whole step, sum as it is, and fill in the boxes. So to fill the boxes, you have to solve everything in the side working column, get the steps, and then fill in the boxes. Have you understood how to solve such kind of sums?
Yes. Yes. Teacher.
Okay. In a factory of the ratio of salary of skilled and unskilled workers is 5:3. Total salary of one day of both of them is rupees 720. Find the daily wages of skilled and unskilled workers. Now, who are skilled workers and who are unskilled workers? Do you know what is skilled workers means and what unskilled workers mean?
Skilled workers have experience.
Skilled workers have experience. And what about unskilled workers?
Not have that much experience.
See, a skilled worker is one who has special training. Maybe that person knows about it. Like suppose if I am a teacher, fine. So I have a special training to teach. So I'm a skilled worker, right? Maybe there is suppose there are some people who have skilled in painting jobs, right? If you see, if there is a painter, he will paint, but he has some other person working under him to get the paint, to get the brush, to carry the bucket for him. Those
Yes.
are unskilled workers, helpers. Those are helpers. So when they, that doesn't mean the helpers have no work. They have a lot of work, but then they have to have one important work is observation and understanding. Only then they can become skilled workers in due course of time, right? So
Yes,
now in
teacher.
a factory, the ratio of salary of skilled and unskilled workers is 5:3. So we have two persons, two terms here, skilled and unskilled. So let us assume the skilled workers per day salary to be X and the unskilled workers per day salary to be Y. So let's write the statement, students. Okay. Shall we start? Have you written till here?
Yes. Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. As per the first condition, skilled and unskilled workers. So the ratio means x upon y is equal to 5 upon 3. So you have cross multiplication.
Yes.
3x is equal to 5y. 3x minus 5y is equal to
0.
very good. This is our equation 1. As per the second condition, the total salary of one day of both of them, one day for skilled is x and for unskilled is y, their total salary is 720. So we have x plus y is equal to 720. Condition 2.
Yes, teacher.
Now, with this condition 1 and with this condition 2, I want you to solve. Finish the whole sum, get the value of x, get the value of y. That means get the salary or daily wages of skilled worker and get the daily wages of unskilled worker. And then you will, once you're done, raise your hand. I shall ask you for the steps. Because by now you should know how to solve. Are you already solving?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Okay, start solving. All are ready now to solve?
Done, ma'am.
Done, teacher.
Okay. Now,
Done.
now I will just say the steps and you'll check whether you have written it that way. Fine?
Yes.
Now the first equation is 3x minus 5y is equal to 0. So the second equation we will make one variable same. So what we can do is we can multiplying
By 5.
equation 2 by 5. You just check whether you have written it similarly. 5x plus 5y is equal to 3600. So we have got the two equations. Now this is your new equation number 3. So we will have 3x minus 5y is equal to 0, equation 1. 5x plus 5y is equal to 3600, equation 3. We will add equation 1 and 3. So that will give me 8x is equal to 3600. X is equal to 3600 upon 8. Now to calculate this, we have
450.
8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32, remainder 4, 8 fives are 40, 0, 8 zeros are 0. Therefore, x is equal to 450. Now, substitute x is equal to 450
In equation 2.
Equation 1. $270.
So we have got the answer like this. Have you?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Same answer.
Teacher, but I done with the equating coefficient method.
No problem. Anyone has done with the determinants method?
No.
No.
Fine, no problem. You have done now. Any one method is giving you
Yes.
the answer. X as 450 and Y as 270.
Yes, teacher.
Anyone has got any other answer other than this?
No, teacher.
No, then it's
No,
fine.
teacher.
Then good. Okay, done. Now this sum I'm just going to explain to you. I am not going to give you the steps. Once I'm finished explanation, you will write the steps and then I am going to ask you for the steps. So just don't say done, done, done. Done, 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 done. We'll do afterwards. Okay. So now let's see for the sum. Kantabai bought 1.5 kg tea and 5 kg sugar from a shop. She paid rupees 50 as return fare for rickshaw. Total expense was rupees 700. Then she realized that by ordering online, the goods can be bought with free home delivery and at the same time, same price. So next month, she placed the order online for 2 kg tea and 7 kg sugar. She paid rupees 880 for that. Find the rate of sugar and tea per kg. Now, Kantabai bought 1.5 kg tea. Okay, so she has bought 1.5 kg of tea. So what we can do is 1.5 kg tea, 5 kg sugar. Again, there is something mentioned about tea, which is 2 kg and 7 kg sugar. Now, students, which are the two terms that are mentioned many times in the whole question?
Sugar and tea.
Tea and sugar.
Weight of sugar and tea.
Tea and sugar, weight, exactly. So let us assume the cost. Actually, we need to find the rate of sugar and tea, correct? So if we consider sugar and tea, so we have tea and sugar as the basic here mentioned. So if we consider the cost of 1 kg of tea, X, sugar, Y. Okay. Now 1.5 kg tea, 5 kg sugar, 1.5 kg. That means 1.5 into X. See, if 1 kg is 5 rupees, 2 kg will be 10 rupees. How do you get? You multiply this amount by the weight of how much you want. So 1.5 kg X plus 5Y is equal to some amount. Second way will be 2X plus 7Y is equal to some amount. But here, students, remember that she paid total expense of 700. Means she paid in the 700, she paid the shopkeeper plus the rickshaw fellow.
Yes.
Shopkeeper.
Yes.
I have not written Shah Rukh Khan. This is shopkeeper and rickshaw fare. So shopkeeper plus rickshaw fare was 700.
Yes.
But rickshaw fare we know is rupees 50. So how much she must have paid for the shopkeeper?
650.
650.
700 minus 50 will give us 650. That is the amount that she paid for this sugar and tea, which is 650. And next time she paid for 2 kg sugar, 2 kg tea, 7 kg sugar, she paid 700. No, 880. Now, can we find the solution to these equations?
Yes.
Now, one more point is this 1.5x. 1.5 can be written as 3 by 2 plus 5y is equal to 650. Okay, so when you can write it that way, so here it will be 3x plus 5y. Again, you have to remove 2. So we will write 3x plus 10y is equal to 1300. Because this 2 we multiplied here, this 2, see, we multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. So this 2 will get cancelled. 2 5s 10. 2 into 650 will give you some amount. I do not know what is the amount here you will get. I mean some value. 650 into 2 will give you 1300. Now this equation and this equation you have to consider and solve.
Done.
Teacher, why you did 3 upon 2x plus 5y?
Teacher, can we take 1.5x?
Darshi, I am writing here, okay?
Okay, and even here, instead of multiplying by 2 to whole equation, we can just take this denominators 2 at that side, no? 650 into 2.
1 minute. I'll first explain this. This 2 comes here, so it becomes 2 into 1 plus 1 upon 2. That will give 3
Yes.
2. Understood?
Okay. Yes, teacher. Understood.
Now, this 3 upon 2x plus 5y is equal to 650. Okay? 3 upon 2x is only this 2 is the denominator for only this part. Is there any denominator here?
No.
Then how can you take this 2 directly here? So first, to remove this 2, we need to multiply 2 into 3 upon 2x plus 2 into 5y is equal to 2 into 650. Means actually what we are doing, we are multiplying throughout, means the entire equation multiplying throughout by 2. So
Ma'am,
we
can we
are
do cross
cancelling this 2 and 2. So it will become 3x plus 10y is equal to 1300. Is this step clear to everyone? Now we come to someone was asking if I take 1 upon 2x as 1.5. Someone was asking that.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if you are taking it as 1.5, now you will tell me all the steps after considering it as 1.5. Now, how will you solve?
Zero point 0.5x.
Is there any term with the same variables? Coefficient same?
No.
So you first have to make it same.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you have to solve.
Yes, ma'am.
So either you solve it like this or this, that you have to multiply and all that and then solve. Now the question is there. This rough work of the question is there in front of you. Give me the steps quickly.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Shall I ask
Yes.
for the steps?
No, teacher, please wait.
Yes, yes, I am waiting. I am here only, not going anywhere. Don't worry.
Teacher,
Yes. Yes.
can you solve this sum? Find some difficulty by
You
solving
tell me,
this sum.
Navita, where are you finding difficulty? You tell me, I'll solve. Where are you finding difficulty?
Both the equation subtracts, no? Equation 1 and equation 2.
Hmm.
So there only find some difficulty.
Okay, Ankit, wait.
So can you solve it?
The first one we took it up as 3x plus 10y is equal to 1300.
Yes.
Then our next equation was 2x plus 7y is equal to 880. This equation we multiply by 2. This equation we multiply by 3.
Teacher, we can also multiply by the equation 1 by 7 and equation 2 by 10.
Yes, no problem. You can multiply that. If you're multiplying that way, means you're making the y coefficient same.
Yes.
I don't want to go for big numbers, so I'm going for small numbers. So
Okay, teacher.
yeah, so it becomes 6x
Plus
plus 20y is equal to 2600. That's fine, Ankit.
Yes.
The next one is I'm multiplying it by 3. So when I'm multiplying it by 3, I will have 6x
plus
plus
20.
20. 1 minute. I'm solving it. If I go wrong somewhere, then you'll stop me. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Yeah. Because then everyone talks, then no one understands. So 6x and 6x. So I have to subtract. So here I will write subtracting. These are the new equations that have been formed now. Correct?
Yes.
So this becomes my equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. This was equation 1. This is equation 2. So I am going to subtract. So all the sign changes.
Yes.
So this gets cancelled. Here I will have just minus y is equal to minus 40. So y is equal to 40. Now Ankit, can you substitute the value of y in any of the equation and get the value of
Yes.
Okay,
Now
go
I
ahead.
can.
Yeah,
Thank you, teacher.
welcome.
Done, teacher.
Yeah, Darshi, I'm waiting for you. You told me to wait, no? So I'm waiting.
Yes, teacher, done. Now.
X is equal to 300.
Any of the student heard me saying, Atharva, please give the answer?
No.
No.
Anyone?
No.
No, I thought by mistake I said and I did not hear with my own ears. Okay, Ankit, did you get the value of x?
So I'm solving. I'm adding the both the terms. Then I get my answer. Then I tell you. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, teacher, I got.
You got the answer?
Yes.
Yes. What is the answer that you got, Ankit?
Yes, teacher. The y's value is 40 and x value is 260.
Okay. Is it 880 minus 280?
Yes.
No.
No, sorry. I written 800 minus 280. So
Hmm.
that's why the answer is wrong.
Yeah, so make it 880 minus 280. So you will get 600. So x will be 300. So the final answer will be cost of 1 kg tea is equal to
300.
rupees 300, and cost of 1 kg sugar is equal to rupees 40. So Kantabai was smart to order online, correct? So she saved her 50 rupees of rickshaw fare. Correct, students?
Yes.